For today's installment of All Things DIY, I'm going to talk about this Milwaukee tool bag and laptop bag combination. And first of all, full disclosure, I am affiliated with Milwaukee. I work for Mr. Milwaukee's mommy. For starters, it has very big, robust zippers that you can see here. And if you wanted to, you could even put a padlock in there to keep light-duty thieves out, and a lanyard for your whatever commonly used tools. It's got a pocket on the side here where I keep my computer mouse, a box knife, flashlight, pen and pencil, so forth. The front has a big open bag-like area, which is a good place to put something bulky like, say, a charger. And then your commonly used things in this zipper compartment here, such as your earphones or little jumper wires or little screwdrivers and so forth. When we open this thing up, you have elastic tool holder things, and you have pockets for bigger, heavier things. And I have a variety of mostly electrical things in here, but I also have cordless drill, hex keys, wire strippers, a ratchet, multimeter. It also has a pocket here where I keep zip ties, another pocket that you can almost see through with zippered pocket that I keep smaller miscellaneous things. It has a very stout stitched straps that should not give a problem for a long time. Two of them, in fact. On the back, it is well padded and comfortable. I've used this for probably 2.5 to 3 years. I know that because I used a stopwatch. And if you look down here, it has this Velcro where you can hook it on your roller luggage. You have this plus your luggage to move around. It sits on a very sturdy, hard plastic base, so it stands upright. And the padding is actually quite comfortable. Your other options are to do what? Maybe have a old style metal toolbox, which would get heavy just moving it from one side to the other side of the room, or a roller type toolbox, which makes you look like a flight attendant, and it's usually made for people about the height of a circus midget. And it has a second heavy-duty zippered area where you can put your laptop, and within that there's another big pocket where you can put your documents. And like I said, I've used this for 2.5 years or so, 5 days a week, and the only wear that it's shown is just a little tear there, which is probably where I snagged it on something. And on this side, you can see I have an oversized water bottle I put in there in this elasticy pocket, so I should have no trouble holding your can of pop or bottle of Gatorade or whatever. Now there's a look at the main cargo area, and I will take everything out, show you what all I have in there, what it's capable of. And I carry about 30 pounds of backpack and tools on a daily basis. Finally, here's a quick look of everything that goes in there. This is what it looks like empty. I put my laptop, a lot of documents, wrenches and drivers, miscellaneous cables, and all these hand tools. So it fits pretty well.